If you want to disable autopay in Google Pay, what you have to do is open up Google Pay. So once you're on your Google Pay account here, go to your profile, which is on your top right there. So just click on your profile, scroll all the way down. You will see there is an option called Autopay. Tap on the Autopay. So here you will see all your current autopays that you have set up. So to disable one, simply select the one that you want to disable. So tap on it to open up the screen. So just tap on it. So for example, this one. So just tap on it here. So once you tap on it, you open it up, and here bottom you will see there's an option called cancel autopay. So all you have to do is simply tap on the cancel autopay, and that will initiate the cancellation process, which means it will disable the autopay for you. So all you have to do is simply tap on the cancel autopay. And you also have the option to pause it. If you don't want to cancel it, you can just pause it as well. So either way, you just have to choose here. So if you want to just disable it, just click on the cancel autopay, and it will do it for you. And that's basically pretty much it is.